to be a short one. Basically, a farmer has cursed his land in order to get bountiful crops, but his grandson now has to pay the toll for what was done. I like the story, but everything else was done so horribly. I mean, the makeup, the editing, the characters, the acting, the props, the effects. This film feels so agonizing because it is long, it is slow, and every time you look at it, you just want to stop the film. There's just no reason to watch this. It's a 0 out of 5, and if I had anything really good to say, this might have been a longer review. But I don't!